Yeah.
Rife Falls State Park, with its mysterious caves and beautiful triple waterfall, is one of the gems of the Colorado State Park system. The area was first opened up to ranching in 1883, and eventually, cabins were built and rented to tourists who viewed the falls and explored the caves, much like today's visitors. Dark caves lurk in the limestone cliffs under the falls, including a 90-foot room that requires a flashlight for exploration.
Unbelievable limestone caverns. I think we're going to have to get the camera in the back and see if we can show you guys what a little bit of this cave system looks like here at Rife Falls, Colorado. Let's see how far we can get up in this limestone crack here. So pretty slippery, we're going to take it nice and slow. Here we go. Okay, we're going into the limestone system here, and it's dark, as you can all see. We're going to try to get through the slippery stuff. I can show you how slippery some of this limestone is.
It's a little bit spooky, don't you think? Kinda reminds me of being in a Scooby-Doo episode.
This limestone is extremely slippery, and if you do come up here, be really careful, because it would hurt going down. Beautiful day. And up the trail we continue.
The breathtaking waterfall, created by the rushing waters of East Rifle Creek, flows year-round.
Absolutely beautiful.
The falls spill over a limestone cliff that geologists think may have formed in the waters of a beaver dam. The stagnant water behind the dam became saturated with chemicals, forming thick limestone deposits that are now exposed as cliffs. The thundering water that sprays out from the cliff creates a misty world of moss-covered rocks and lush foliage along the base of the falls.